What's up, guys? PJ here from 3D Printing Canada, and today with me I have one of our new products. It's a soldering iron slash, I guess kind of like a wood burner for cleaning prints up and stuff. Say you had a print you still wanted to use but it didn't turn out the greatest. You could use this, or you could use some of the soldering tips that come with it, as well as some of these tips for melting plastic or wood or whatever. So I find it's pretty neat. You can, if you had a part you wanted to fuse together, you could just take it and kind of melt the side or something and fuse them together. Or like the underside here where the support didn't do the greatest, you could take it and smooth it out. You'd have to do a few passes to get it smooth, but you get the idea. So for those prints that didn't turn out perfect, but yet you still want to use them, you can fix them up a bit. Now there's lots of different tips. You can change them out and switch to different tips. There's also some soldering tips in here as well. So just wanted to do a little short video, guys, for you to show you this cool little tool we have for cleaning up your prints and doing soldering. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's just a quick one for you all to show you this new cool tool we have in stock. You can pick it up at 3dprintingcanada.com. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.